Swash is a brand new clothing care system that leaves your clothes looking and feeling great in just 10 minutes. It removes light wrinkles for a clean look, neutralizes odor and leaves clothes smelling clean, restores the fit to your clothes that's lost after wear, and extends the life of clothes by not causing pilling or fading. Say goodbye to excessive washing, drying, and ironing while cutting your dry cleaning bills in half. It's time to experience 10-minute clothing care with Swash. Swash 10-minute clothing care gets clothes looking their best in just a few simple steps. First, hang your clothes on the adjustable hanger. For maximum wrinkle release, pull the fabric tight and attach the smoothing clips. Next, insert a Swash Pods cup, close the door, and select a cycle. The illuminated timer counts down the cycle's completion. The Swash Pods formula neutralizes odors and leaves clothes smelling clean. Then, heat is circulated to restore the fit of clothes that's lost after wear and aid the dewrinkling process. In just 10 minutes, your clothes are at their best, and you're ready to take on whatever your day or night has in store. What if we invented a totally new way to care for your clothes, and you could wear what you want, when you want? Say hello to the revolutionary Swash system. Now you can de-wrinkle, refresh your clothes, restore the fit, and preserve your hard-to-care-for clothes in just 10 minutes. So you can be ready for date night at the push of a button. It's time to say yes to 10-minute clothing care with Swash.